My name is Efrain Rodriguez.
Nice to meet you. And where are you from, Efrain?
Orlando, Florida.
Okay. And what do you have here today?
Today we're displaying what we commonly call the smack booster. The smack booster is a device that creates hydrogen from water, or separates the hydrogen from the water, so that we can use it in cars.
Oh, that's cool. What is your purpose of your invention?
The purpose of our invention was the fact that, or the need for fuel efficiency. We needed to save money on gas.
Okay. How did you make it?
Well, we went on the internet and we researched a lot of different devices, and we were trying to make something that was simple in parts, something that was readily available parts, so that we can, just get it anywhere. Go to the store, Home Depot, and pick up stuff. Make it easy.
Okay. What type of energy are you using?
We're using what's commonly called HHO. It's hydrogen. It's not pure hydrogen, but it's a hydrogen that's hot enough to be able to burn inside the cars.
Oh, okay. Are your resources environmental friendly?
Absolutely. That was one of the things that we were looking into, because the emissions were reduced a lot. That was something that was appealing to us, to be able to not only save gas but help the environment. When we burn the HHO, or we heat up the water with electricity, the only byproduct is oxygen. So we're actually putting oxygen to the environment.
Oh, okay. So it contains like a natural gas?
Well, water is energy.
Yeah.
Except it's condensed into water when the molecules come together, the hydrogen and the oxygen molecules. So basically what we're doing is separating them.
How many attempts did it take for your experiment to produce electricity?
Because we were producing energy, we were producing the gas, but because we learned from people that were doing it, it took us maybe 3 attempts. And we made gas from the first time, but to make it, to refine it, it took us like 3 attempts at designing different systems.
Okay. So you said you got most of your research from the internet?
Yeah. Yeah, this is one of the generators we built. This is called the smack booster. That's a single cell. That single cell will produce enough gas to assist any vehicle in burning fuel. What we did over here is we took wall plates, and based on the idea that we found on the internet, we stacked them up with bolts, with nylon bolts, and this is what basically it looks like inside here. We attach electricity to these, 12 volts right from the car, and the bubbles come off.
Oh, okay. So, do you know how many gallons of gas? Gallons of what
Of HHO? Yeah. Each one of these tubes, at its maximum, can produce 2 liters per minute. 2 liters of combustible fuel.
Wow.
So, to give you an idea how much energy is in water, 1 gallon of water equals 1,800 cubic feet of combustible gas. That's a lot of energy in water.
What effect do you think your invention will have on the economy if it is put into production and everyday use?
Dramatic reduction in fossil fuel use. And emissions. That fossil fuels, when we burn fossil fuels like petroleum, we're actually creating the contamination that comes out of the cars, which is a byproduct of burning the fuel. Because of this, not only will we reduce the consumption of gasoline, we'll reduce the emissions at the same time. So we're saving the energy and we're cleaning the environment.
Wow, you got a pretty good invention there.
Well, we didn't. A lot of people invented it. We just helped, and we, kind of followed in the footsteps of a lot of great people, and we're just trying to help other people at the same time. We tell this idea to everybody we can find, so that not only we get the benefit for it, but everybody else.
Oh, okay. So it was nice meeting you.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you very much for the interview.